Okay, hello and welcome back. So now, once we created all the social media accounts, now obviously the next job what we need to do, we need to make sure everything is tidy, everything we know every day what to do. And one of the next steps is you have to create the content scheduler file. So you can either do it, but I always suggest that you actually create this file in your own Google Sheets. Basically, what I did. Depends what strategy you're gonna focus on. Either you're gonna post once a day, 2 times a day, 3 times, or 4 times a day. As you can see, there are different tabs. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Obviously, the more times you're gonna post on the daily basis, the quicker the account gonna grow. And then let me just touch a little bit on the strategy itself. What I usually would do, and what I will do as well for the project that in a niche I chosen in the music niche, or even in AI niche, or maybe different niches as well on a way. I'm always trying to create videos ahead, at least for 7 days. For 7 days, videos for let's say YouTube. YouTube would be the long term videos on YouTube. Supposed to focus about each video about 10 plus 10, 11, 12 minutes at least. So later when we gonna grow later when the YouTube channel gonna grow, we will be able to monetize. So once we're gonna have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watch time, we will be able to implement the Google Ads and monetize that way. So YouTube gonna pay for every 1,000 views. People gonna see our videos. The ads would be watched, and the longer the video gonna be, the in more places during the video, as you maybe noticed when you watching YouTube videos, there are more multiple ads during the video, and the longer it is, let's say for 10 minutes or more, you can put like in 3 spots. So from if you're gonna add value to the person who watch you on YouTube, you will be able to monetize more the content and make more money from your content when you're creating content. Then, like once I have the YouTube video, the next I would go ahead and create a short, which the shorts would be for your YouTube shorts. So basically, I'm gonna show later when we create content, I'm gonna show you AI tools that gonna help you speed up all the process and then once the short's gonna be done, then the shorts obviously would go out for Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok Shorts, and Pinterest Pins. And obviously, it would be combination of shorts from the one long video what we create just in different days in different places. So let's say day one, I'm gonna create YouTube video that explains something about how to use a tool, and there are gonna be multiple beneficial points of the tool that would go out for YouTube. Then the shorts would be taken out parts of the video, and the shorts would be categorized. And now when they're gonna be the content, let's say I make from one long video 10 multiple shorts, then I'll just place them there where is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once I gonna come on the, let's say day two, when I gonna post, it's gonna be short day one. On the Facebook Reels would be day three, day four, and so going forward. And wherever the number you see, then whatever link gonna be associated with that number, that's the video we're gonna either going and post manually on that social network we're supposed to, or in next video I'm gonna show you how to use a scheduler tool as well. You can start for free and just pretty much create a content, schedule out the content, and then pretty much you save yourself lots of time and you can focus on other stuff as well. So system is created. Now it's all about organizing your content, then about creating content, and then after we will be able to focus on different monetization methods. So this will be complete business in a box once you finish the course. So stay tuned. Below there will be a link where you can, if you want to save time, you can get this for 17 euro as the Excel sheet version. So just to give appreciate for the course that I am giving you. If you appreciate, or else you can just copy the way I did. Just make an Excel sheet. Take time. It's probably gonna get better in your brain that this is that stuff you have to do. And I'll see you on the other videos. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, as always, ask in the comments below or in the community section up there. So thank you and stay tuned.